Today we'll be going through a Zap automation tutorial that can save you time by doing the tedious tasks for you in the background. This will get you back to working on your business instead of in it. Now, first things first, what is a Zap? What's Zapier? I'm glad you asked. All right, so today we're going to go to Zapier.com, which looks like this. Now, what is Zapier? Zapier is a tool that connects platforms, and it passes data from one to another if certain criteria are met, and then it performs a tedious task for you in the background. A benefit of having Zapier would be, for instance, if you receive a lot of attachments and you're working out of your email and you're constantly having to download those attachments, go over to your Google Drive or your Dropbox account, find the right folder, upload the attachment. You've just lost 3 to 5 minutes of your productivity. But if you're doing this several times a day, you're losing a lot of time. So here comes Zapier to basically save the day. Today we're going to be looking at a very easy, typical Zap, and we're going to be working in an example for MailChimp. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. We're looking at this one right here. Today we're going to be removing MailChimp list members when they're added to a different list. This is a popular one. This is a great example to start with. So I'm going to press right here, use this Zap. And a new window opens up. We're going to remove the MailChimp list members when they're added to a different list. So for example, say somebody subscribed to your list a while ago and you now have put out a new content upgrade. Now, you know, if you're using MailChimp, for each content upgrade you want to offer, you have to create a new list every single time. If that subscriber already exists on your list and they go and they grab your content upgrade, they're added to another list. You don't want that, because if you get to the point of having a MailChimp account that is over the standard free users, you are now paying per subscriber and you have this person subscribe twice. Now multiply that by 500 to 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. That's a lot of duplicate email addresses that you could be paying for. So this is a long-term money savings. So we're going to look at the example. All right, so how it works, a new subscriber is added to a MailChimp list. Then Zapier removes the person from another MailChimp list and consolidates your list. So we're going to go to create this Zap. We're going to press here. Your first trigger is when a new subscriber is added to a list. Yep, continue. Now I have an account hooked up here, so we're going to test my account. It's listed as my MailChimp account number 1. And it tested and it says it's a success. We're going to save and continue. Set up your MailChimp subscriber. So we're going to grab the list. Let's say this list right here. It's going to list the lists that you have in MailChimp right now. And it's actually looking in your account. I'm going to grab this list. I'm going to hit continue. Now, it's looking at things to double check. Make sure you have at least one recent subscriber created. Make sure it matches the trigger options you picked below from this list right here. So I'm going to fetch and continue. The test was successful. It says, all right, you got it. You can view your subscriber to make sure everything looks okay. We'll use this as a sample for setting up the rest of your Zap. So I'm going to go in here and make sure that I have the right person so as not to erase somebody from a list that perhaps they belong on this list. Well, what do you know? That's actually my name right there. So I'm the test sample right here. So I'm going to hit continue. Now I'm going to unsubscribe an email address from a list of your choosing. So I'm going to take them off of that list and consolidate them. I've already tested my account. I'll test it again just to make sure I have success. Save and continue. We're going to go to my other list. And what we're going to grab is make sure that the email is correct. Yes, that's correct. Continue. We're not going to delete the member and we're not going to send them a goodbye email. Let's see. We're going to create and continue. And test successful. You got it. You can view your unsubscribed email to make sure everything looks okay. We'll use this as a sample for setting up the rest of your Zap. Same as last time. And we're going to finish. Now it's looking, it works, and it automatically turns it on. And that's it. You can go back and you can see it in your dashboard. You can go and make another Zap. Now remember, for a free account, you get up to 5 Zaps. If you need more than 5 Zaps or you need a multi-step Zap, you will end up upgrading to other paid accounts, which are very affordable. So this was my tutorial on creating Zaps. Super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch and I'll walk you through it. And I highly suggest using Zapier. Take care. Bye.